Before proceeding to tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to design a cloud app icon in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Create a new document. Choose Rectangle tool, and create a rectangle. Then choose Ellipse tool and draw a circle, and align with rectangle. After that, make more circles of different sizes, and connect them until they gives cloud shape. After that, select all shapes. Go to Windows, and choose Pathfinder to open Pathfinder panel. Click on First Unite icon to merge all the shapes. After that, choose Ellipse tool and make a circle. Fill it with sky blue color. Select the cloud, right-click, Arrange, and then choose Bring to Front, to bring the cloud front of the circle. Resize and change its color to white. Select both, and group them. take a copy of the icon. Ungroup it. Select the cloud, swap the colors, and increase the stroke size, to see another style of the icon. Now here is little problem. To fix it, select cloud, choose smooth tool and apply on the anchor point near to affected area. Now it's fixed. Okay, if you want to smooth the edges of the cloud, you can do that. Let me lock first blue circle. Select cloud, click on stroke, to open stroke panel, and choose corner type, round join. Now corners are smooth. Unlock blue circle. And take one more copy of the icon. Now the edges of third icon are smooth. I want to make them edgy. To do so, again select the cloud. Click on the stroke, and choose corner type as, miter join. Now you can see that corners of our third icon are edgy. That's it. So that was the tutorial how to design a cloud app icon in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you like it. And if you have any question, suggestion or feedback, feel free to comment below. Thank you.